Yeah, g'day guys. The job at hand today is digging out for where a carport is meant to be allocated. So you saw where the carport is meant to go. It's just not quite wide enough. So I thought I'd bring in the digger and scratch away the bank a little bit and then get to load it out. So I've just taken a few measurements there and making sure I'm on track. And yes, I'm pretty close, just got a little bit more tidy up. I've been operating this digger for a couple of years now and all the other little jobs that I do, and so it's getting very handy. I think I'd be lost without this machine. So anyway, enjoy the video.
So all the piers are in, and that kind of concludes all the earthworks on this job. The rest of the carport will be, it'll be sheeted. That'll be another video, but all the earthworks is done, which is really good. So guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like to see more content like this, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.